Today's featured car is a 1931 Ford Highboy in this matte brown finish. Not sure if it's paint or a wrap. It also has cheater slicks on it, and to spin those tires, a big block Chevy. And I imagine that'll probably spin those tires pretty good, as light as this guy is. But this is another one of the Ford Highboys that I did a few years back and lost the footage and just found it. So I'm putting them on my channel now. So you'll be seeing some other ones coming in the next couple days and weeks. But anyway, that's today's featured car, a 1931 Ford Highboy with a big block Chevy and cheater slicks in a matte brown paint with the canvas top. I see it has also. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.